Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your control settings in Icarus. Let's begin by opening the settings. From there, make sure to go into settings. Go to the control tab and right here on general, you can change your input type from keyboard to controller. Under keyboard, you can set your mouse sensitivity for the X and Y axis, toggle crouch on or off, crouch ledge safety on or off, toggle sprint on or off, toggle aim on or off, sprint cancel reload on or off, invert Y axis on or off, and set your aim sensitivity from 0.1 to 5.0, with 1.0 being the default. I'll go with something like that. Then, under keyboard, you can set your controller icons for Xbox, PlayStation or Switch. You can select your mouse sensitivity for X and Y, although I imagine those are not for the mouse, but for the joysticks. Toggle crouch, crouch ledge safety, toggle sprint, toggle aim, sprint cancel reload. Yes, of course. Invert Y-axis and aim sensitivity. And, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.